Hello everyone. Our today's topic is algebraic expressions. Before we know what is an algebraic expression, let us understand some terminologies. Constant. The quantity that has a fixed numerical value. Fixed means the value is not changed. Example 3, 7, minus 13, 0, etc. These are the fixed numerical values. Variable or literal, the quantities that can have different numerical values. It means letters X, Y, Z, A, B, C, etc. These all are the examples of variable, where they can be replaced by any value, any numerical value. Now, what is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables connected by any of the four fundamental operations: plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. For example, x plus 2 is an algebraic expression. 2x plus 3y is also an algebraic expression. Now, how do we write the sum of 2 and 3 in mathematical way? We can write it as 2 plus 3. This is an expression and it has only the numbers. Therefore, it is called as numerical expression. Now, how do we write the sum of a number and 3 in a mathematical way? We can write it as x plus 3, where x can take any numerical value. As this expression also has variable in it, so it is called an algebraic expression. Consisting the numbers, the expression calls the numerical expression. Consisting variable and numbers, called the algebraic expression. Let us see a few more examples. 4 into 6 equals to 24. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. And here 4 into a, that is 4a. A plus 2b minus 3c. X plus y upon 3. Now, terms. What is term? Several parts of an algebraic expression connected or separated by plus or minus sign only are called terms of the expression. Example, 8x square y minus 7x plus 5. Here, 8x square y is a term, 7x minus 7x is a term, and plus 5 is a term. 2c minus 5t is also another example, where 2c is a term and minus 5c is also a term. We can see here minus and plus are the connectors or the separators, we can say. In other words, we can say term. A term is a product of its factors. Example, 3xy is a term and the factors of 3xy is 3x and y. So when we multiply 3x and y, we get this term 3xy. Now, what are factors of term? When two or more numbers and literals are multiplied together, then each is called a factor of the other. For example, 3x square plus 5xy. This is an algebraic expression. We split the two terms in this way. 3x square is a term, plus 5xy is a term. Here 3x and x are the factors of the term 3xy, and 5x and y are the factors of the term 5xy. Now, constant term. What is a constant term? A term of an algebraic expression which doesn't contain any literal factor. This is called the constant term. For example, 7xy minus 4. Here minus 4 is not having any literal coefficient with it, so this is called a constant term. A term is also having two parts in it. Let's see. Coefficient part, which is also called as constant, literal part or a variable. For example, 4ab, where 4 is a constant part and ab is the literal or variable part. 5x, 5 is constant or coefficient part and x is variable or literal part. The numerical factor of a term, that is here is 4 and here is 5, is called a coefficient. Note that the coefficient may be different from the constant in a term. How? That is, we can say in a term having more than one factor, any factor is known as the coefficient of the product of the remaining factors. For example, 9xy square. When we see the factors of 9xy square are 9, x, y and y, we can find out 9 is the coefficient of xy square, the remaining factors product. X is coefficient of 9y square, that is the remaining factors product. In the same way, y is coefficient of 9xy, that is this one, 9xy. Now, types of algebraic expressions. On the basis of number of terms in an expression, the name is provided. Monomial. Algebraic expression contains only one term is called monomial. For example, 2ab minus 6x. These are having only one term, so they are called monomial. Binomial. Algebraic expression contains only two terms. For example, x plus y. Here x and y are the two terms which is connected by plus sign. Therefore, it is called binomial. 6a plus 7b is another example. Trinomial. Algebraic expression contains only three terms. For example, x plus y minus 2z. These are the three terms, x, y and minus 2z. Therefore, it is called trinomial. Quadrinomial, only four terms. Multinomial, three or more than three terms. The algebraic expressions which have three or more than three terms called multinomial, and these all are called polynomial. It means these all are called polynomials. Let us take few more examples. 5xy. What is this? What is the name of this term? Because it has one term, so it's monomial. 5 plus x minus y. Because it has three terms, so this expression is called trinomial. 6, it is having only one term. It's a constant term, so it's monomial. 2pq plus r square minus 5x plus 3y plus 6. There are so many terms, so it's called multinomial. More than three terms called multinomial. 2 by 7 into a square b c plus 1. Here this term is one term because they all are connected by multiplication sign. Here one term is this and one term is this, so it's a binomial. Now, on the basis of the literal factors, the term is further divided into two parts, like terms and unlike terms. Like terms which have same literal factors. For example, x minus 5x, 12x, these are the like terms. Unlike terms which do not have same literal factors. Example 5xyz and 11abc. These all are the unlike terms. Few more examples. 4a, 1 by 2b square, 6a, 3 by 4a, 1 by 7b square, 3xy. Which are the like terms? Let us separate. 4a, 6a, a is here, and 3 by 4a. So these all the three terms, they are like terms because they have same literal factors. And half b square and 1 by 7 b square, they are also the like terms because they have b square as same literal factor. Whereas unlike term is 3xy. It is not matching with any other. Now, degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial can be further divided into two parts. When the expression is having only one variable and when the expression is having more than one variables. Let us understand first expression with one variable. What is the degree of polynomial then? The highest part of the variable in the polynomial is degree of polynomial. We should make sure that we are talking about the highest part of the variable, not of the number. For example, 2a plus 5. Here the variable is a, and we can see the highest power of a is 1. Therefore, we can say the degree of polynomial is 1. Another example, 3x square minus 3x plus 5x raised to the power 4 plus 1. We see the degree of each term. Here the degree is 2, here the degree is 1, and here the degree is 4. Among these all, the highest power of x is 4. So we can say the degree of the polynomial is 4. Now, degree of polynomial when the expression has more than one variable. The sum of the powers of the variables in each term is taken first, and the greatest sum is only the degree of polynomial. For example, 9x cube minus 6xy plus 7. We see here x is having 3 degree, 3 power. xy is having 1 and 1, that is total 2. We find the sum of the degree here in each term. And 7, because it is not having any variable here, it means it must be having the variable, suppose x, and its power is 0. By using the law of exponent, a raised to the power 0 equals to 1, it is considered as 1, and 7 multiplied by 1 is nothing but 7. So the degree of this is 0. So we choose among the all, 3 is the highest power. That is the sum of the variable here, highest power is this. So degree of polynomial is 3 here. Thank you for watching.